Got yourself in a vehicle accident? Don't worry, here are the steps for cashless motor vehicle claim settlement process. Start with taking your vehicle to a registered network garage of Reliance General Insurance, where garage will intimate your claim through their portal. The insured person will then receive an SMS with a claim number. Afterward, the garage person will upload the documents required from the customer and vehicle photo and initiate the call for video streaming. Or, a surveyor will do a physical visit within 24 hours and check the required documents. If all is okay, he will survey the vehicle and provide the approval for repair work. In case of a survey through video streaming, RGI technical executive will verify the documents, survey the vehicle and provide the approval. Post repair work, garage will submit pre-invoice to the surveyor for assessment, and post assessment the surveyor will generate the delivery order. The customer can then get the vehicle delivery by paying only the difference amount to the garage as per the delivery order. Note: during this process, the claim status will be claim under process. These are the required documents you need to complete a hassle-free claim process. So, avail the cashless facility anytime in Reliance's network garages and live smart with Reliance General Insurance.